Hello everyone, welcome once again to Learn Mathematics. This is Rekha Chabra, your maths teacher. Students, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel and keep watching my videos for better understanding of the subject. So, we were doing chapter number 9 differential equations, and today I'm going to talk about homogeneous differential equations. So first of all, let's talk about homogeneous function. A function fxy is said to be homogeneous of degree n if f of lambda x lambda y means if we replace x with lambda x and y with lambda y, then we can write down that function as lambda raised to the power n f of xy for any non-zero constant lambda. If we can write like this, then we will call it as homogeneous function. Let's take one example, y square plus 2xy. Replace y with lambda y and x with lambda x. Now it can be written as lambda square into original function. It means yes, it is a homogeneous function. Then second example, sin x plus cos y. When we will replace x with lambda x and y with lambda y, then this thing is definitely not equal to the standard form because we cannot take lambda common out of this. Lambda is the part of angle, so it is not a homogeneous function. Cos of y by x, then this lambda and lambda will be cancelled and we'll get the original function cos of y by x, and we can add lambda with power 0. So yes, this is also homogeneous function. There is one more way to identify whether given function is homogeneous or not. Let's take this example. We have taken x square common, and what are we getting here inside the bracket? 1 minus 3y by x plus 5 y by x whole square, which is equal to x square. And this is what? This is function in y by x. Or else there is no necessary condition that we have to take x square common. We can even take y square common. When we take y square common, so this function will become like this, right? And we can write it as y square some other function in x by y. So a function fxy is a homogeneous function of degree n if we can represent the given function in this format, which is x raised to the power n f of y by x or y raised to the power n g of x by y. Now, a differential equation of the form dy by dx equal to f of y by x or dx by dy equal to f of x by y. It is called a homogeneous differential equation. Differential because we have differential coefficient dy by dx, and homogeneous because we have a homogeneous function in that. Now for solving, what we have to do, we have to assume y equal to vx, then we will differentiate on both the sides. Dy by dx is equal to product rule on the right side, v plus x dv by dx. Then we will input both the values in the original equation and we will solve it. Now let's discuss few questions of exercise 9.5 for better understanding of this concept. Let's take question number 1. First of all, we have to show it is a differential equation and homogeneous, and then we have to solve it. Definitely it is differential equation because dy by dx is there. We can write it as dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square upon x square plus xy, right? So now this is homogeneous differential equation. How would we get to know? This is differential that we are sure about because we have dy by dx, we have differential coefficient. But whether it is homogeneous or not, for that we have to check this function which is written on the right side. How can we check? We can check by replacing x with lambda x and y with lambda y. Then we can take lambda square common from numerator as well as from denominator. It will be cancelled, and what are we getting? We are getting the original function in return. So this can be written as lambda raised to the power 0 f of xy. Definitely it is a homogeneous equation. Now for solution purpose, what we have to do? We have to assume let y equal to vx, right? And then we have to differentiate on both the side. Dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx, right? Now what we have to do, we have to input this value and this value in the this equation, in this given equation. It was basically given equation only. We just rearranged it. So instead of dy by dx, we will write v plus x dv by dx. And here on the right side, instead of y, we will write down vx. So after that, x square common from numerator and from denominator and cancel. We'll take this v on the right side, minus v, LCM. Separate the variables and then integrate. After this step, we are integrating to get the answer. And integration, I hope everybody knows very well how to do. Show that the given differential equation is homogeneous. Same way, dy by dx is there, so it is differential. For homogeneous, we have to check this function. How we have to check? We have to check by replacing x with lambda x, y with lambda y. Lambda common and cancel, so yes, it is homogeneous equation. For solution purpose, let y equal to vx, dy by dx is equal to this. Now we will input both the values in this equation. Instead of dy by dx, we will write down this thing, v plus x dv by dx equal to x plus y. Y is what? Y we have taken vx. So x plus vx upon x. Now split it, 1 plus vx, this v and v cancel. Separate the variables. X dv by dx is equal to 1. So let's take this dx and x on the right side, and then after that integrate and get the answer. Question number 6, x dy minus y dx. First of all, write it in this format, dy by dx is equal to something. Then we have to check whether it is homogeneous or not. We will replace x with lambda x, y with lambda y. Y square, here we have plus, y square is common inside the root only, then it will come out of the root, lambda will come out, then overall lambda common and cancel. So we will left with this thing, and yes, this is original function with lambda raised to the power 0. It is homogeneous equation. For solving, what we have to do, y equal to vx, dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Input both the values in that equation. V plus x dv by dx is equal to vx because it was y, plus under root x square plus y square. Y square, instead of y square, we have written vx whole square upon x. Then v plus x dv by dx, and here what are we doing? We are taking x square common inside the root only, then x will come out, x overall common and cancel, v plus under root 1 plus v square, this v also cancel. Separate the variables, and after this step we have to simply integrating and get the answer. Question number 13, x sine square y by x minus y dx. First of all, rearrange everything, and here we have to talk about particular solution. So first of all, dy by dx is equal to this thing. This term will go on right hand side, so it will become negative, and this x will come in the denominator. Now we have to check, same way we have to check whether it is homogeneous or not. We'll do the substitution. Lambda x sine square lambda y upon lambda x, this cancel, and lambda overall common and cancel with this denominator. So yes, this is homogeneous equation. Now we have to solve it. Y equal to vx and dy by dx equal to this. Input both the values in that equation, and then after that what are we doing? V plus x dv by dx is equal to, from here x common and overall cancel with this denominator, minus sine square v minus v, which can be written as, when we'll open the bracket, v minus sine square v. Now this v cancelled from both the side, x dv by dx equal to minus sine square v. Separate the variables, and it is cos x square dv is equal to minus dx upon x. After that, minus cot v, what we have done here, we have integrated and get the answer. Here this is the general solution, but we have to be particular when y equal to pi by 4 and x equal to 1. So put the value of y and x. So we are getting this, cot pi by 4 is 1 is equal to log c, or we can write down c is equal to e raised to the power 1. E is exponential function which is equal to e, and this is the final answer. Question number 15. Here first of all, again we will arrange it in this format, dy by dx is equal to something. Then we will do the testing, x with lambda x, y with lambda y. Here lambda square overall common and cancel, and this is the original function. So yes, this is homogeneous equation. And then y equal to vx. Same way, dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Input these values in this equation. 2xy plus y square. Y square, instead of y square, what will we write? V square x square, and upon 2x square, and here on the left hand side we will write v plus x dv by dx. Now x square overall common and cancel. Then after that we will split it, and v also cancel. 2 upon v square dv is equal to dx upon x. We have separated, and after that we simply have to integrate to get the answer. This is general solution. We have to talk about y2 and x1. Put these values, get the value of c. Again input the value of c here in this equation. So after that, log x minus 1. We have got the value of c as minus 1. We are multiplying with minus on both the sides. So 2x upon y equal to 1 minus log x. So y is equal to this. I hope you must have understood how to solve homogeneous linear equations. So now please try remaining questions of this exercise yourself and post your comments right now. Thank you very much.